Welcome to Slow English Podcast for Arabs.
Stop. Wait. Let me ask you something. Do you understand English, but when people speak fast, you feel lost? You know the words. You studied grammar, but real English sounds different. Too fast, too connected, too confusing. This is the problem. And this is why you are here. Welcome to Fast English, Episode 1. I'm Dawood. Here, we don't teach complicated English. We don't use difficult words. We train you to understand real English. Simple, clear, fast. You will hear English the way people really speak. You will repeat. You will train your ears. And step by step, your brain will change. No long lessons, no boring rules. Just real practice. If you stay with me, you will start to understand fast English. Not after months, but very soon. So don't just listen. Focus, repeat, speak. Here is the best program to learn fast English. A complete training program. Step by step. Episode by episode. So don't miss any episode. What you learn today, you have never learned before. This is not theory. This is real training. Episode 1. Sound training. Let me ask you, have you ever heard gonna, gonna, wanna, wanna, kinda, kinda, oughta, oughta, abouta, abouta. You hear them, but you don't understand them. This is normal. Because this is real English. Fast English. Here is the secret. If your ears get used to these patterns, You will understand 70% of real fast English. Yes, 70%. So today we start training. Listen carefully. Focus. Repeat. This is where everything changes. Gonna. It means going to. Gonna. Going to. Gonna. 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 She's gonna travel tomorrow. Now, faster. She's gonna travel tomorrow. She's gonna travel tomorrow. I'm gonna call you. Now, faster. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you. Wanna. It means want to. Wanna, want to. I wanna eat pizza. I wanna eat pizza. I wanna eat pizza. They wanna learn English. Now, faster. They wanna learn English fast. They wanna learn English fast. Gotta, have to, or got to. Gotta. Gotta. I gotta go now. I gotta go now. I gotta go now. We gotta finish this. We gotta finish this. We gotta finish this. Kinda, kind of. Kinda. Kinda. It's kinda cold today. It's kinda cold today. It's kinda cold today. I'm kinda tired. I'm kinda tired. I'm kinda tired. Sorta, sort of. Sorta. Sorta. I'm sorta busy. I'm sorta busy. I'm sorta busy. That's sorta funny. That's sorta funny. That's sorta funny. Outta. It means out of. Outta. Outta. I'm outta time. I'm outta time. I'm outta time. We're outta milk. Now, faster. We're out of milk. We're out of milk. Lotta, a lot of. lotta, lotta. There's lotta people here. There's lotta people here. There's lotta people here. I have lotta work. I have lotta work. I have lotta work. About to. About a. I'm about to leave. Now, faster. I'm about to leave. I'm about to leave. She's about to start. Now, faster. She's about to start. She's about to start. Dunno. Don't know. Dunno. Dunno. I dunno what happened. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. He dunno the answer. He don't know the answer. He don't know the answer. Lemme. Let me. Lemme. Lemme. Lemme help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me try again. Let me try again. Let me try again. Let me try again. Gimme. It means give me. Gimme. Gimme. Gimme your phone. Gimme your phone. Gimme your phone. Gimme a second. Gimme a second. Gimme a second. Tell 'em. It means tell them. Tell 'em. Tell 'em. Tell 'em the truth. Tell 'em the truth. Tell 'em the truth. Tell 'em to wait. Tell 'em to wait. Tell 'em to wait. Ask 'em. It means ask them. Ask 'em. Ask 'em. Ask 'em for help. Ask 'em for help. Now, faster. Ask 'em for help. Ask 'em for help. Ask 'em later. Now, faster. Ask 'em later. Ask 'em later. Help 'em. It means help them. Help 'em now. Help 'em now. Help 'em now. Help 'em please. Help 'em please. Help 'em please. Call 'em. It means call them. Call 'em. Call 'em. Call 'em today. Call 'em today. Call 'em today. Call 'em tomorrow. Call 'em tomorrow. Call 'em tomorrow. Good. Now, you see, fast English is not difficult. It's just different. You don't need more grammar. You need more training. But don't stop here. Repeat this episode many times. Train your ears again and again. There are 100 patterns in this program. If you liked this episode, write "I liked it" in the comments. It will motivate us to continue and bring you the next episodes. Stay with us. See you soon.